In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide candles on GoCharting. If your chart suddenly looks empty and you can't see the candlesticks, don't worry, this usually means the price layer was hidden and it only takes a moment to bring it back. Start by opening the chart where the candles disappeared. Make sure you're on the chart layout where the issue happened so you can see the change as soon as we fix it. Next, look for the layers icon. Depending on your layout, you'll find it either at the top right corner of the chart area or inside the right widget bar. If your right side toolbar is collapsed, hover over it or expand it so the icons are visible. Click the Layers icon to open the Layers panel. The Layers panel lists everything that appears on your chart. You'll see entries for the main price panel, any indicator panels you've added, and your drawings. Think of this panel as the control center for visibility. The main price panel is the one that holds your candlesticks or price bars, while separate indicator panels hold things like RSI, MACD, or other studies. In the list, locate the main price panel. Depending on your template or the chart type you were using, it might also be labeled candlestick or price bars. If you've got multiple panels, take a moment to find the one that clearly refers to the actual price display rather than an indicator. Hover your mouse over that item in the list. When you do, a set of small control icons will appear next to it. One of those icons is an eye. If that eye icon looks crossed out, dimmed, or inactive, that tells you the layer is hidden. Click the eye icon to unhide it. As soon as you do, your candles should reappear on the chart. If nothing changes, double-check that you clicked the eye for the main price panel and not for an indicator panel. It's easy to toggle the wrong item if you have a lot of elements in the list. While you're here, this is also a good place to quickly tidy up your chart by toggling visibility for drawings or indicators you don't need in the moment. But for bringing candles back, the key is simply making the main price panel visible again. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, open the Layers panel, find the main price panel, or the item labeled candlestick or price bars, hover to reveal the controls, and click the eye icon to unhide it. Your price candles are now back on screen, and you're ready to continue your analysis.